now what we want to do is we want to take a look at some of these maps that we have and try to see if we can see a front that's moving, right? And what we're going to do to start off is we're going to trace our front on these pages. But you're going to be flipping through these guys, and it's going to be a little bit tricky, but here's kind of what we're looking for. And we know that cold fronts are going to be on the move, right? Here's our little jagged teeth. So what I'd love to see is where this guy goes over 3 different days. All right. Now, just right in here is this little cold front. So do I see it in the next day? Ooh, I do. So on Tuesday, Monday it was back over here, just north of or right kind of there, coming across Illinois and going down to the top part of Texas and the panhandle of Oklahoma. That's going to be where it was the one day. And then day 2, it's moved past the Great Lakes. It's come down. It's kind of dipping into central Texas and going over the Mississippi River right in through there. Good. Okay, now that's 2 days. Now do I have day 3? Oh, what happened? Here it was on Tuesday. Right, nice cold front on the move. Is it way up over here? Is that same cold front? Could that low have traveled all the way up to there? Maybe it did. It's a little bit tricky. See, this doesn't go as easy as you think. Right? But wait, I see something. I see a little cold front right there and a warm front right there, the occluded front. That's like the beautiful storm that we have right there. And then that was on Tuesday. On Wednesday, it's down here. So that could potentially, right? I got 2 days so far. Keeping everything in order. Oh, wait a second. It was there on Tuesday. That was Tuesday. That was Monday. That was Tuesday. Where did it go? Is it way down here? I don't know. Okay. A lot of these guys are tricky to follow. Wait! I see something. See, like this cold front here, and then it's got this little guy. So it's like a stationary front. Usually our storms are going to be moving from left to right. They're going to be moving from west to east. And so that's generally the process that you see. Here's this beautiful cold front that's way down south. And that cold front kind of moves over to here. Day 2, right? See how excited we get when we see from day 2 to day 3. Oh, yay! And then our final day out over here. All right, what are we going to do? You don't need to write every single line. Just choose one of them, right? In my case, I'm going to choose this guy and draw it. I want to choose this guy and draw it. That was Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and then this guy and draw it. Okay, we're going to draw those guys on this little map. And so I'm starting off with Thursday. And I would just draw it goes through Texas, it comes over here to Arizona, and then it goes Oklahoma, I forget what state that is. It dips down across there. So I would draw in that line and date it. And then over here, I would draw another line on the same map, draw in a second line for our day 2 and date it. And then over here, I would draw, where'd it go? It was around here somewhere. Anyway, 3 different lines. Oh, wait. There it is, 3 different lines for that same front. Draw those guys out here, and then there's a little scale bar down here on the bottom. And what you're going to want to do is pick about the middle of one day to the next day, and then one day to the next day, and try to figure out about how many miles it traveled in that day. Okay? So enter the dates of the weather maps that you selected. So we're just wanting to get the one front. You select those 3 different days. I'm choosing Thursday, March 10th. No, Thursday, March 12th through Saturday. They're all over the place now, man. I'm so confused. Yeah, Saturday, March 14th. That's what I put there. It's got the jagged teeth, so it's going to be a cold front. Then, how far, using the little scale bar, how far did it move between day 1 and day 2? All right, that's just going to be measured. And then the distance between day 2 and day 3. That's just going to be measured using the little scale bar and those 3 different lines that you drew. All right. Speed travel between day 1 and day 2. So I'm just going to take whatever it was. This is per day. And then I just divide that distance by 24, and that's going to tell me how fast it's moving during day 1 and how fast it was moving during day 2.